Hello everybody, I'm here with Gary Marston in a 2013 Shelby GT500. Gary actually worked at Romeo Engine Plant. We opened the hood on this GT500 and found his signature on it, every engine signed. And interesting story with Gary here is he actually started in the car business back in the 60s, 1969, during the muscle car era with Tubbs Brothers and with my father. So Gary was kind enough to come down here, and he's going to talk a little bit about what it's like to build these special engines for SVT.
All right, yeah, we build these on Romeo Engine Plant niche line, it's called, and it's two-man teams, and we start get a block right out of the block washer, and we put a crank in it, and we move on down the line. We put pistons and heads, and there's about 20 stations where you go around, and there's about 8 other teams, and it takes us a little over 2 hours to build one. In a 8-hour day, we build about 3.5 motors. This one here is 663 horsepower, and aluminum block, aluminum heads, and it's a lot of fun. You know, every time we go to a car show and somebody sees one with your name on it, they want a picture and everything, and it's really a good job, and I know I can't imagine any other job that I'd rather have, and especially starting in the car business when I was 16, when I'd get out of school and come to work and wash up road runners for delivery and GTXs, and that was a lot of fun. So, and then now we're building Cobras. So I've had the same partner since 2007. Jeff and I have been building together, and that's pretty unusual because you're this far away from some person all day long building 3 motors, and so
you built about 3 a day.
Build about 3 a day, and I don't know how many, couple of thousand, I guess, over the last few years. So
Jeff's local guy.
And Jeff's from Peck, yeah, Jeff Hamlin, and the time goes by pretty fast on this kind of a job. You know, it's like you got to watch what you're doing, because they do a 2-man team for, you know, like that way you got 2 sets of eyes when you're building this motor to make sure everything's just right. You know, you don't want your name, you don't want a problem with it because you got your name on it. Yeah.
Do you have any idea what kind of failure rate these had? Did they have?
No, that very, you know, like we have a cold test we put them on, and if they fail that, then they go into a repair bay and probably get tore down and redone or whatever. But no, there's I don't think how many engine pulls they've had on these is, I don't know if they ever had any that I know of.
I mean, they've got just massive cooling systems. You know,
yeah.
Warranty a 662 horsepower engine for 60,000 miles or something.
Yeah.
You got to overbuild everything.
Yeah, they're 200 miles an hour right off the assembly line on a coupe.
Yeah, well, that's great, Gary. I appreciate you coming down.
All right.